Paycor provides small and medium businesses with intuitive, easy-to-use payroll and HR software. Paycor has over 33,000 clients across the United States and over 1,700 associates. My name is Brian Bass, and I'm responsible for sales and marketing technology at Paycor. We've been on a journey to modernize our sales and marketing organization. We knew that if we were going to grow 40% annually, we had to have a great go-to-market strategy and a strong technology infrastructure. We selected Enplug because we needed a simple, easy-to-use digital display solution that we could get up and running quickly without creating this big IT project. Literally within 15 minutes of opening the shipping box, I had an Enplug device connected to a TV and we had content up and running.
My name is Rachel Foster. I'm mainly responsible for internal communications at the company. When I first started using Enplug, it was actually very easy. I really just jumped online, signed in, was set up very quickly, and from there I've just kind of experimented and had a lot of fun doing so.
We have an inside sales organization that's comprised of 100 people and it's growing fast. We were looking for a way to keep this team engaged and motivated throughout the day. And most of the people on this team are millennials. They love technology and they love gamification.
My name's Jeff Weaver, and I'm the Director of Sales at Paycor. Salespeople by nature are extremely competitive. So anytime I post any sort of stack ranking or when we run contests and I put up leaderboards and let people know where they stand in the current week or the month, that always grabs their attention and they're sure to pay notice.
Enplug allows us to display these sales metrics, but it also gives us access to this great library of other applications where we can display a variety of content to keep our teams engaged.
We like to use it in all of our offices, so it's a great way for me as internal communications to communicate with everyone and kind of break down the walls between the departments and locations. I love using the Instagram app because we do have a Paycor account with Instagram, so it's fun to see all the pictures rolling through on the screens and keeping people connected that way. I use the graphics app a lot just to either upload a PDF or a PowerPoint or just dragging and dropping in an image to just post on the screens. A lot of the sales people like having the quotes on their screens for motivation.
I know the sellers appreciate it because at least once a week, someone will email me a motivational quote or a meme and say, hey Jeff, here's one for the board. The fact that they're engaging with it, they're interested in it, and they're paying attention to it means that they're getting the communication in the right vehicle that applies to them.
Our salespeople love to see their picture flash up on the screen when they achieve a goal. And it helps reinforce our culture. It helps keep morale high.
And that's what keeps people engaged because they see something fun, it captures their attention, and then it kind of can switch to something more serious that we want them to see.
We've even added Enplug to our remote offices because we've seen such success out of our main office. And Enplug is the best of both worlds for our remote offices because it allows the teams in these cities to display content that's specific to their office, but also allows marketing to display more company information to keep these remote offices connected to our company and to headquarters.
We have different locations throughout the United States, and it's been nice to be able to just drop the same slides on their TVs and even have an owner out at their location so that they're keeping track of what's going on there.
I can imagine any organization that wants to put out information to their employees, whether it's how the company is doing, what's going on in the world, or finance, or sales, or operations. Enplug is an extremely engaging way to do that.
We have a high-velocity sales organization that's growing quickly and experiencing a lot of success, and Enplug is a key part of that puzzle. We're seeing our associates refer to the screens and have some fun with the kinds of content we put up there. If your business is trying to modernize, if you're trying to create a digital workforce, then Enplug is for you.